this precise day. So this is every year the Tibetan community and around the world in Brussels and in many cities are, together to condemn the kidnapping, the enforced disappearances of Tibetan people and of Tibetan children, and in particular also of the 11th Panchen Lama. So we are here today again together to denounce the abuses against the children's rights that are taking place in Tibet at this time when we are under Chinese leadership of Xi Jinping. So we'll have few speakers today. We'll have 1 hour to a little bit less now, 45 minutes. And we will start with Rengzin La from the office of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. She will address a few words to start with. Rengzin La, welcome, please.
Thank you, dear Vincent. Thank you, dear friends. Today, as you all know, we are gathered here to celebrate or to mark the 35th birthday of the 11th Panchen Lama, who actually has spent 29 years in captivity. So this, we all know, is a clear violation of the fundamental rights, not only of the Panchen Lama, but also of the Tibetan people and on all the Tibetan children. So we are here to condemn China's belligerent violation of the fundamental human rights of the Tibetan people. We all know the importance and the significance of Panchen Rinpoche within the Tibetan community and beyond. So the case of Panchen Rinpoche actually is the epitome of the suffering of the Tibetan people. So let's call on our respective governments and the EU governments to take action and call for the immediate release of the Panchen Lama so that next year or in the coming years we are able to celebrate the Panchen Lama's birthday in the way that he deserves. So just for your information, I just brought a copy of a public statement issued by the Chair and Deputy Chair of the Foreign Affairs Committee of the Belgian Federal Parliament. I would like to read it out. I think it is vital that lawmakers and governments make such statements of support for the Panchen Lama so that the world continue to remember him, and that it is also, I think, a way of reminding the Chinese government that the international community has not forgotten the case of the Panchen Lama. So the statement is the following. On the occasion of the 35th birthday of the 11th Panchen Lama, Yendriche Gyingma of Tibet, we call on the Chinese authorities for his immediate release, along with his family, teacher, and other Tibetan political prisoners. Yendriche Gyingma was born on 25th April 1989 in Tibet. His Holiness the Dalai Lama recognized the then 6-year-old Yendriche Gyingma as the 11th Panchen Lama. On 17th May 1995, the Chinese authorities abducted him along with his family and Chade Rinpoche, making the 6-year-old the world's youngest political prisoner in the world. None of them have been seen or heard from since. We strongly condemn the 29-year enforced disappearance of the Panchen Lama, which serves as a reminder of China's continued oppression of Tibetans and their blatant disregard for human rights. Consequently, we call on the Chinese authorities to respect Tibetan people's right to freedom of religion and right to select the reincarnation of their religious leaders, including His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, in accordance to the Buddhist tradition without interference from the Chinese government. Signed 25th April, S. Svanov, Chair of the External Relations Committee, and Samuel Kogalati, Deputy Chair of the External Relations Committee of the Belgian Federal Parliament. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. We know Mr. Gulati is a great supporter of our issue of Tibet, and we are very grateful for his statement and support. I will read you another statement that was delivered by the Federal Commissioner of the Government for Religious Freedom in Germany, Mr. Frank Schwab. He said, "Today, I urge the government of China to disclose precisely his whereabouts, to allow an independent monitor to visit him, and to ensure that Tibetan Buddhists are able to freely practice their religion, traditions, and culture without interference according to international human rights law." So this is another important statement that was delivered today in Germany. And I think that it tackles really an important issue, is this Chinese wish to control Tibetan Buddhism and to control the successors of lamas, and including His Holiness the Dalai Lama, that we have to really oppose and counter. I would like now to give the floor to Han from Lungta, who has prepared a very nice little flyer for today. So thank you for your time and efforts to prepare this demonstrations as well. So please, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Vincent. I will do it in Dutch, if that's okay for all. Beste vrienden, goedemiddag. In 1995 werd Gedun Chukyi Nyima, een Tibetaanse jongen, door de Dalai Lama erkend als de 11e Panchen Lama. Een van de meest gerespecteerde personen binnen het Tibetaans boeddhisme. Enkele dagen later werd hij en zijn gezin door de Chinese autoriteiten meegenomen. Hij werd de jongste politieke gevangene ter wereld, een dubieuze eer. De jonge Panchen Lama werd door de Chinese autoriteiten ontvoerd om de politieke controle over de reïncarnatie van Tibetaanse boeddhistenleiders te versterken. De Panchen Lama speelt namelijk een belangrijke rol in de erkenning en opleiding van de Dalai Lama en vice versa. Vandaag vieren we zijn 35e verjaardag, al is er geen reden tot feest. Bijna 3 decennia weigert de Chinese regering elk verzoek van mensenrechtenexperts en regeringen om toegang te geven tot de Panchen Lama en zijn familie. China beweert dat hij een normaal leven leidt en niet gestoord wilt worden. Ondanks Beijing's holle beweringen over zijn welzijn eisen wij duidelijke antwoorden en de onmiddellijke vrijlating van de Panchen Lama en zijn familie. Kye Galo, Free Tibet, Free de Panchen Lama.
So today we are gathering here with the Tibetan community in Brussels at the Gare Centrale. It's the 25th of April, and we are here to commemorate the birthday of the Panchen Lama, who is turning 35 years old, so exactly today. And it's a very important moment because it reveals the extent of Chinese repressive policies that are taking place in Tibet. Because this young boy in 95, he was kidnapped by Chinese authority, and since then he was the youngest Tibetan political prisoner even in the world. And since then, for more than 30 years, there is no witness or no independent expert who has been able to access him or his family. So this is an enforced disappearance of a Tibetan child, which is condemned by many states and independent experts. And I think it reveals the systematic repression also and abuses against child's rights and the rights of Tibetan children. And this is also very visible with the boarding schools that are taking place and imposed on Tibetan children in Tibet, where more than 1 million Tibetans are forced to go in Chinese boarding school and are disconnected from their families, from their friends, from their culture. So there is a fundamental problem here with these policies, and I think the Panchen Lama situation is obviously one of the most pressing and important issues. And I think today with the Tibetan community we want to mark and to pass this message on, in particularly as Xi Jinping is about to come to Europe and to France in a couple of days. So this is the main reason of our presence today.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So ta tharin de nganjo chungsi pinje rim che gi ta chunga lo sum ju songa badi sunji shue gi che do ta nganjo de Brussels ki Brussels chi ko ma de Belgium na shu me bri cho de nganjo de ye de henjom chung ba de ta ngaran sam me ke se de chungsi pinje rim che zawe tharin unrang sum ju songa phe ba de di na de 저 망아지 그러니까 이제 저구스지 다가 가성 참여 차지 yana shungi ta thanda batu gejine pinjarum che bolla kadu bandi nam le ta dane changma ji phigyo mare ichi ding an changma tharin de zom che ani yana shungi pinche la thanda dindes khawson chame chaya da ani dila romi thoktan la dore tang dila manjo mole mes digi chedo ani de manjo thari den zom shubata chakji ani ngaranjo thanda ne shungre thojore dige gangala ani chusi penje rimbuche gi gela chade rimbuche re ani rimbuche gi nami number re di maim be ngaranjo phena shungi gi ani chapsi jamba ganga thedulo de yoya gi chedo ani manjo di shuga cha re ani tharin de tane ju sambuji shuya la thanda Belgium gi thojone di karsa chisi gi chokchung gi chokchoda ani chokcho shambani gi dagdam jina yore ani di na la yimba yine chungsi penje muche ke dulo de gugi yoba da ani kana shung gi khanda rajo gugi na de gi thela ani tiju chudi yoba di na ne chocho chino khonse kempo chombu chogi kui yang si to la tiju chigi yoba di chawani ne jigi me ba da ani khara khanda phenang gi domi to da la thup sab chimbu yobe dagdam jina yore so
Goedemiddag, ik ben Han van de Lungta, actief voor Tibet, een Belgische Tibet-supportgroep. We komen hier vandaag samen, 25 april, om de verjaardag te vieren van de Panchen Lama. Dat is de tweede belangrijkste religieuze leider van Tibet. Als een jonge man werd hij erkend door de Dalai Lama als de 11e Panchen Lama van Tibet. Een paar jaar later, op 6-jarige leeftijd, werd hij en zijn familie gekidnapt door China. Tot op heden weten wij nog altijd niet waar hij is, of hij überhaupt nog leeft. Daarom komen wij ieder jaar samen om zijn vrijlating te eisen en antwoorden te krijgen op onze vraag. De Panchen Lama is de jongste politieke gevangene ter wereld. Hij werd zo uitgeroepen door Amnesty International in 1996. Wij blijven samenkomen op 25 april, ieder jaar, totdat wij de vrijlating hebben van de Panchen Lama. Dankjewel.
Dank je.
아인다 드린데 벤체 총시 겐디 추지냐마 기타한테 드린 제단 채널 중학기구야래 제단 자외 전에 아주 대리 중가대 배 기진이도 많세 배 배진 남대 다가 나신게 남대 대비 진주 용수 조박에 대린데리아 아주 중가 가스 쇼고야 당 땅고에 지레디 이나양 자블링게 놀로라 자가동에게 농수다 중가동에게 농수 나만난소 여레데 대ring 안수기 중가심지 희wen데 장링을 만등이게 지차게 여레 대리 자외데 벤치 치우 견디 치진냐마 몰로 송지 상황 고에게 중가 차게 여레데 이나야 대리 중가심지 희에데 냥의 균디 제다 체문나게 놀로라 안주 대리 송지 쇼고야지 차바티 할레비게 타우초보다 로주는 좀 많이 왔지 그래서는 되게 야래 다인다 드링인데 주스지마도야 말해 싫어서 먹어야지 동지 잡아이나 변신 군진 줘봐 군진 주지봐 닌자 라오 정망기 와리야 라차버리 맞아 마세베 공고 양용도 쳐봐 라차버리 벽화와 감정이 존을 당하게 놀러라 최소의 시에이나 아니 가서래 대대신게 뭐뭐여 밤에 세제도 파주 시래지 콩 뭐뭐여 밤에 남주를 패치 아니 가서 가와 감정이 종기 따이미에도 동일하에 대화 요새니데 자기야래 벽화와 감정이 종기 대신이나라 벽화와 감정이 종기 대화 대두 그렇지림베이나 혼나버니기 두지 신라리야 단체 초디야래 근데 송자 디토리아 라오 자망기 성실을 내비게 상랭기 노로를 좀 많이 와지 벽화와 감정이 종리야 두스라바 찬지 두스레 다이는 게 내가 치실때 벤진 애들은 저기 인생 군중 주박에 공부시에디 공기 시쇼기 나도를 당하지 가려 요랬지 대마치 쉬나 레라 저기 방안 dem비 베미리 사주 라 네비게 아니 가서 휴가 참원사요 나기 로진으로 샤그 민세데 벤진 군중 주박에 나도리야 해당들이 대나저 양도 전고에 양도错고에 이 해당돼 나야 제메베지 도시에 같이 나야래 기대래 니네 벤진 군중 주박에 제지 치셔도나도 가르장 열었으나 베미리기 개위 정주 뺐습니다 할레베기 라오 자마 디월이야 휴제 좀 휴지때 다도 임바이나야 거기 잡아 틀려도 간지들 라디야래 내가도 나의 제로 말했어 이지 쉬어야니 니바데 제동부자 부지의 지기에 원주상이 아니 인도 추대마세 시티체 베이노를 시티체 아니 제동부자 부지의 지기 원주 지당아비기 세냐 사제리야 자이도의 죄체 아니 중앙랜달이야 중앙랜 망스동 맞제체 공기 피샤에게 인도 추대면 얘기인데 할레비기 다나리야 휴진태야래 디토르 다나게 총도 두고 몸부체제 별이야 레주치기 인세 양대 제 다나 디토르야 같이 쳐고 다나를 강에 하정 강에 전부 체제 베기 도리야 다나게 온신바게 라바창에 접시게 두시 도리 휴지 쇼치 공태야래 대난서 년부터 쇼 예스 제동구제 주지레니는 마체제 아니 벤체 군진 초발이야 아니 땅기 소진 cấp 제비 초진 나발이야 되니 벤처럼 젤이야 탑세체야 당 제링이야 탑세체 모르지 되니는 마 체체 공에 체체 제동 구자 주주래 인마 체체 가르쳐 열으나 되니 나는 차바치 보셔요 나는 청내 보여스 나 나올 합기 전에 되기 위해서 갖다 나야래 제동 구자 주주래 룰러야 되니 베지 미리 럽다 아마 동자 몸들이야 자동체체 할래비 기드네 세리 개비 다동 체제 안 자동은 롭지 장강나리야 롭거든 나와 지지 추야래 단대 총신 너무 지인마 있네야 로냐기 짜불이야 단대 장강 치기야래 통야된 계약 아니 매야 들이 이득을 대리 가르스나 라오 자망 배카와 강진 용기 가수를 배지 남대 상담만 세배 남대 때문에 진주리야 세력 계획이 라오 자망이 통중의 체세 냐주 당연했어 배지 남대기 진주 상담만 세배 남대 때문에 진주기 마마 세고는라 취재바 세고는라 dunzuki senkang hallebi ki dorita maka chemo soya yes habatu gongchen tang de la ma kiye de kar dandu phadu be meri ti zanen ya sanji de de atu yus be ji nam dengi ani chue se ku ye na rinne se ku ye na de tu de zamen so ma de ba che che dandu ba de kon de de zamen so ya ki junao mambo che che a ti sa tabhi du che che de du yes 대인이 다들 쉬어야 될야 변신 총시 견디 추진이마 홍 광주 백화와 강진 종 가서래 종신 시험 보장 보다라를 폐지 더 여선이 현상은 대혜신이 냠도 잠시 홍나번이 송리야 먼저 농学제야다 나라선 한진강 인기 더 여선이 잡아철래야 nindakin chayagi dari chosung dawa datsigin duliya mendi da dushu tawu shoyu pechelo gongsa jangmu chebe kotse chata deba sho peche chungsi gendi shiji nima kotse chata deba sho pechelo last future.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much all for coming and for this commemoration. So this ends the gathering for the Panchen Lama's birthday. So we wish you all the best for the rest of the day and we'll see you again very soon. Goodbye. Thank you.